Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor Builder in WordPress. Elementor is a fantastic drag-and-drop page builder that empowers you to create beautiful, professional websites with incredible ease. You can design custom layouts and content visually, seeing your changes in real time. It's perfect for anyone wanting to build a unique site without writing a single line of code, offering hundreds of design options and pre-made templates to get you started quickly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and find the Plugins section. Click on Add New and use the search bar to find Elementor Website Builder. Once located, simply click Install Now and then activate the plugin. This process takes less than 1 minute. After activation, you'll see the Elementor option available when you create new pages or posts ready for your design work. Elementor's intuitive interface is built around sections, columns, and widgets. Think of sections as large containers, columns as divisions within those containers, and widgets as the actual content elements. You simply drag and drop widgets such as headings, text blocks, or images from the left panel directly onto your page. You can easily adjust column widths and section heights, giving you precise control over your layout. Elementor offers extensive styling options, allowing you to customize every detail, from colors and typography to padding and margins. You can ensure your site looks perfect on any device using the responsive design controls. For efficiency, save your custom sections or entire page templates to reuse them across your site. Plus, explore advanced widgets for features like contact forms, image carousels, and social media integrations, enhancing your site's functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.